Hello everyone, this is going to be an unboxing of the Google Nest Mini 2nd generation. Let's first take a look at the product box. You can see that it's the chalk color. Light gray Nest Mini there. Small and Mighty, there's a picture of it on the back. And some of the services that it supports. Google Maps, Google Calendar, YouTube Music, Spotify, Philips Hue, GE, Google Assistant. There's a bottom, look at the bottom of the box, this is in chalk. Let's go ahead and open it up. I got this for only $29 at Best Buy. It's part of the Black Friday deal. Just look at the power adapter there. There's the Nest Mini. You can see on the bottom it has a screw port. You can see it has a hole for mounting it on the wall. And this time they changed up the connectors to a barrel connector instead of micro USB. The old Nest Mini, the first generation Google Home Mini, or I guess now called Nest Mini, that one has a micro USB connector. Some paperwork here. Let's get started. First, connect the Home Mini to the power adapter and then open up the Google Home app to get started. And you can do the voice command, hey Google. Has some new controls on the Nest Mini. On the left side, volume down, right side, volume up. Tap the center for play and pause. Some information about privacy policy. Warranty information. Here's a closer look at the privacy card. Pause if you want to read. Here's the power cable. And here's the power connector. It looks like it outputs 14 volts at 1.1 amps. Or through this barrel connector right here instead of micro USB. Let's go ahead and plug it in now.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
See inside the Google Home app, set up a new device. You have to choose a home first. Now it's looking for devices. Found the Nest Mini. Now it's trying to connect to Nest Mini. We heard the sound, so now it's connected. Help improve Nest Mini. Choose the room that it's in. And now connect to Wi-Fi. Now that it's connected to Wi-Fi, here's some information before using your Google Assistant. Voice match settings. Agree to voice match. Looks like the assistant can already recognize my voice. Downloading voice models. Link services. Select default service, video services, control your Chromecast devices, latest software is being installed. So I guess that's going to be pretty much it for the unboxing and setup of the Google Nest Mini 2nd generation. Thanks for watching everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And also click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post new videos. I'm also on social media at Mr. RD Penguin on Twitter and at GTSP on Instagram. Thanks for watching, everyone.